We're staying in our new office project.dwg file. And I want to show you a really cool new feature available in this version of AutoCAD, AutoCAD 2026, and the last version of AutoCAD, AutoCAD 2025. And it's a thing called block replace, or B replace is the actual command that you can potentially type in and press enter. Now, we're still in the new office project.dwg file that has various blocks in it. There's our redefined workstation block. We've got a block there that is our plant on the plants layer. And what I'm going to do is show you how to replace one block with another quickly and easily. Now, before we do that, go to the Home tab on the ribbon, go to the layer drop down and select the plants layer. Now, what we're going to do, and it's very, very simple, we're going to replace this workstation here just with a plant. Very quick and easy to do. Now, what we're going to do is go to the Insert tab on the ribbon, and in the block panel, click on Replace, and we're going to select this workstation here like that. Press Enter to confirm, and the really cool AI and machine learning in AutoCAD is now saying to me, oh, here's some suggested blocks that you can use and some recent blocks that you might have used as well. I can also go and select a block in the drawing to replace it if I want to by clicking on this pick button. Now you'll notice recent blocks, we have our pot plant, and you can see it's everywhere in this new office project drawing. If I click on pot plant, it's now replaced it. But what's really weird is it's put the pot plant on the layer that the block was on the workstations layer. So you will need to go and select it and obviously go back to the Home tab here, go to the drop down and put it onto the plants layer, which is a bit weird, but that's the way that the replace works. I'll hit escape there like so, click on the grip, drag that into the center of the room, hit escape again to deselect. That's how quick and easy it is now to replace blocks in AutoCAD using the new technology available in the newer versions of AutoCAD.